Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 8th lesson of D3 chapter number 1 exercise 1b, that is about solution of quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. In this lesson we will be discussing question number 3 A part, and question 3 says solve each of the following equations. So first of all, it's important to understand that what is the meaning of word solve or solution and what is quadratic equation. So solution means to find the values of unknown by using appropriate technique, and quadratic equation is an equation in which the maximum power of the variable is 2. So let's move to the solution of question, and question 3 says solve the following equation, and A part is x into x plus 1 equals to 1. As we have to solve quadratic equation, if we look at the question, we can see that the question and the left hand side of this question is not in form of the quadratic equation. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to turn this equation in form of the standard quadratic equation. So what we have to do, I have to apply distributive property, and when x will be multiplied by x, x square plus x equals to 1. And now what I can do is that I can shift x square plus x minus 1 equals to 0. Now we can see that we have the standard quadratic equation with us, and by comparing this equation with standard quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 1, we can see that a is the coefficient of the square term is 1, b is the coefficient of x is also 1, and c is minus c equals to 0, c is minus 1. Now after comparison, what we have to do, we have to insert the values in the quadratic formula, which is x equals to, this is a common error that most of the students are not equating this formula by the variable of the question, and that is incorrect. X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now what we have to do is we have to insert the values carefully, that b equals to 1, and this is a minus sign which is already in the question, plus minus this is b square, that means 1 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 1, divided by 2 into 1, and this will give me x equals to minus 1 plus minus 1, and minus multiplied by minus is positive, plus 4 upon 2. Now what we have to do, we have to add them up, minus 1 plus minus square root 5 by 2, and now square root 5 under root 5, I have to find the value of under root 5, and this gives me 2.236, x equals to 2 plus minus 2.23 and 6 divided by 2. So either x will be equal to, x equals to minus 1 plus 2.236 over 2, or x equals to minus 1 plus minus, sorry, here I will have the other root minus with minus sign, minus 2.236 divided by 2, and now 2.236 plus this is minus 1, this gives me 2 minus 1 is 1.236 divided by 2, 0.618, or approximately this can be written, let me go a little up, this is approximately 0.62, or x equals to 1 plus 2.236. This is minus 3.236 divided by 2 and this will give me divided by 2 minus 1.618. Okay, I hope you are clear about this calculation, or x equals to minus 1.62. Let's move to the second question. Okay, the next question says that 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 equals to 7x. Now, if we look at this part of the question, x plus 1 into x minus 1, we can simplify this part of the question by using the algebraic identity, that is the difference between two squares. So, according to that, the question will take the form 3 into x square minus 1 equals to 7x. And now what we have to do, we have to apply distributive property, that 3x square minus 3 equals to 7x. Shift 7x to this side, 3x square minus 7x minus 3 equals to 0. Let us recheck our calculation in the beginning. Because these are really easy questions, and my CIE students can easily secure 3 marks in this question. So, I always advise it to my students to recheck your calculation before proceeding to the next step. This is x square minus 1, 3x square minus 3 equals to 7x, 3x square minus 7x minus 3 equals to 0. And now what we have to do, we have to compare it with standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So, the required equation is 3x square minus 7x minus 3 equals to 0, and by comparison we can see that a equals to 3, b equals to minus 7 and c equals to minus 3. Now, recall quadratic formula, that x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, x equals to minus b minus 7 plus minus, and this is b square minus 7 square minus 4 into a, that is 3, and c has a value minus 3, and dot stands for multiplication upon 2 times 3. X equals to 7 plus minus 49 minus 3 3s are 9, 4s are 36, and negative multiplied by negative sign. There are 2 negative signs over here. So, when we will multiply together, they will become plus. 9 multiplied by 4 is 36, plus 36 upon 6. I am going really slow so that my students who have missed the class, they can understand the lesson properly. Plus minus, and now add up 49 to 36, and the answer will take the form 49 plus 36, and this gives me 82. No, it is not possible. 49 plus 36 is 9 and 1 10 and 85 divided by 6. Now, what we have to do, that we have to take the square root of 85 with the help of calculator. Press square root symbol first, okay, square root symbol first, and then 85, and this gives me 9.219. X equals to 7 plus minus 9.219 by 6. So, either x will be equal to either x equals to 7 plus 9.219 divided by 6, or x will be equal to 7 plus 9.219. This will be minus with minus sign. This is the other root, so it has to be negative by 6. Now what we have to do, 0.219 plus 7, 16.219 by 6 and divided by 6, and this will give me, divide it by 6, 16.219 divided by 6, and this gives me 2.703, 2.70, or 7 minus 9.216, x equals to minus 2.216 divided by 6 minus 0.369, or it can give me to the nearest 3 significant figures, so it's okay. So x will be equal to minus 0.369. I hope you are clear about today's class. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.